So guys, to check the login history in Windows, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Event Viewer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to expand Windows Logs. And now you want to click on Security. And now this will come up. And now once you're here, you want to look for Task Category. If you do not see it, then you want to expand this until you find Task Category. Now you want to click on it. Wait for this to load, it's going to be sorting it. And now once that's loaded up, now you want to look for Logon. So it's not going to be Special Logon, it's going to be Logon. So let me just scroll up. It's going to be in alphabetical order, so you want to scroll down till you get to the L section. Now it's going to be showing you all the logons with the date and times. So let me just scroll up a bit more, go to the more recent ones. So here it is right here. This is the latest logon for me. It was at this time. So if I double click on this, and I click on details, it will then show more information, such as the user account name, and things like that. And yeah, that's how you do it. Again, so it's going to be showing you all the date and times right here of the logons. And yeah.